Hello. This today is the time for the course 4, that is SQL and NoSQL database. In this, we are going to study about the data modeling. Here, one assignment is there in module 4. SQL assignment is there, and another assignment is Hive case study is there. These two assignments, which is highlighted in green, these two assignments I will show you later. Okay. Now, come to the model for SQL. Here, data modeling is there. Database, only one graded question is here. In the previous videos, in all the module, there are sub modules were there. In that, graded questions were there. So here from now onwards, only one graded question is there. Okay. So database, here ERD, data warehouse, introduction about ERD, DDL command and DML command. Okay. Data manipulating language like that. Here, building introduction. This is a question. Means and then summary, problem solving, prompts, DDL, data manipulating language. Okay, graded question is there, and then the assignment is optional. Now, first graded question, the same database we have used here also for this also. And this is a question. Data manipulating the following. This is the theory part actually. Okay, Excel formula. So this formula we have to use for this question, right? Then this part is over. Now second module is advanced Excel. Here some Excel functions we have used here. Conditional formatting, logistic, resolution, statistic for test functions, sort, filter, like that in advanced. And in the data science, what is the Excel which you are going to use? Lookup, VLOOKUP, indexing, what if analysis, like that questions was there. And then some graded questions are also available on this. Now the first one. Yes, I think some database is given. This database is given. In we have to solve this question based on the database. Okay. This is the month maximum. Say only one will be there. Then mean. What is the mean and the median? That also we need to find out. And also beach. Beach. Okay. This is the one. And then Bihar and Maharashtra. The answer for this oldest across the states. Okay, category wise sale. That is question 1, question. Okay, this is the category. So depending upon that assignment, if I download it, I will check it and tell it to you clearly. Okay, advanced is also over. Excel function is over. This is over. Data science advanced option. Then advanced tools and visualization. Okay, then advanced SQL part 2. This is the SQL concept 1, concept 2, concept 3 is there. Then the practice question, then introduction to case study, then case study 2, problems are there, graded in bracket, they have written graded, so it may be graded 1. Okay, this is here this is a question in bracket, they have written graded. So this is the answer. You have to watch this video for the solution. Only one question is there. Yeah, question is there. Then next graded question here. You have to watch these videos and all those things. See, this is the basics. I can tell you that is wherever the group by we have used, we have to use after group by having, and where we have to use for the group by function. Okay. And in group by we can't use the distinct operation because group by itself is a distinct operation. These all those things, the basics. Then advanced Excel is over. Structure. Okay. In here, the question is there, created one. It is finishing of this question is based on the previous questions which is there. Okay, if the same question will come, then you can answer it. Advanced SQL 2 is also over. Then SQL assignment. Okay, this is a movies assignment. Here in this assignment, they were this RSVP is a movie creator, and the creators wanted to go globally. So they wanted to publish a movie in foreign countries. So they asked us to prefer which director, which production company we need to collaborate, and also things. So we have solved it and give it to him. And this NoSQL database, MongoDB. It's introduction. Okay. Structure NoSQL, why NoSQL, wherever required structure of MongoDB. Then getting started, introduction, localization, regression summary. Here also aggregation operation, aggregation operation, 2 graded questions are there. This is one. This is a lead. We have to download it, and then we have to solve these graded questions based on the those lead is the answer. And then second question. This is the question. Query how many existing operation. Okay, fine. So this is the code which you have to use for this purpose. And this is the third one. Average sales velocity. This is the code which you have to use. This one is the code which you have to use. By using Python only we can solve this one, but we have to use it SQL in order to solve it. Then finally this is okay. Then next, NoSQL database, MongoDB 2. Okay, this is the study which we have done. Actually, I skipped many topics in this. The practice question, indexing, then getting started, aggregate function, replication, stated key, okay, graded question is there. This data set we need to download, and then we have to solve this few four questions. Aggregate operation. This is the one, and this one is second one. They have aggregate operations only. If you solve that problem, you get the answer. Indexing, creating the block. Okay. Okay. Now SQL and NoSQL database is also over. Now introduction to big data and cloud. So introduction, fundamental of big data, visualization containing the summary, great questions there. Okay. So this is the theory part. Okay. Now next one. Which are the following approaches knows you to switch? Okay, see, this is the answer. The third one. This is the answer. Now, Amazon AWS. These services they have introduced first time. It is AWS. So user group role policies, Amazon Simple Store, Amazon Elastic Cloud, the EC2 Instant. Then this is nothing but EC2 Instant Elastic Compute Cloud. Then the graded questions. Okay, let's check what is there. Here's the 5000 requirement of permission. This question. Okay, this answer. Question 2. S3 bucket. S3 bucket for new version of the file. Complex. Okay. Number 3. Reverse the instance. Consider the instance that. Okay. Next, database. Introduction to Big Data, Amazon Web Service. This is our big data and processing Hadoop. Hadoop is also a part of AWS. So we'll enter the Hadoop, we connect the Hadoop to AWS server. Actually, two great questions are there. See, Hadoop history of Hadoop distribution, Hadoop technology, master and slave. This is nothing but the driver and executor. Also, it is called as master and slave. This is yarn map reduce its function is there. Hadoop viewer vendor. Okay. HDF is both good. Okay. Next, factory. Okay. If this is the case, then this will be the answer. Block replica. Okay, this is the answer. Introduction to data. EMR is over. Hadoop is over, right? Okay. Great question 2 is there. Yarn. Yeah. Already got the yarn. Okay, this is the answer. Fix. Okay, this is the answer for this map face. ABCD is the answer for the reduce face. Is the answer. If we will enter the following statement. Sixth, this is all about the yarn. Okay. So both the great questions are answered now. Now we have to move to EMR cluster in AWS. Okay. This is the access key we need to put in the cluster. We have to start here. Okay. Now to log in. There is no great question on this. Additional content. Hive querying and database. Basic use case of IOL, DP, introduction. I not worked on this set, so I am also not confirmed. But I solved the great questions. Okay. Introduction to Hive. Right. Okay. Which of the following is not this is the answer. Hive versus RDMS. Database. Okay, this two is the answer. Fifth one internal table. Okay. Hive querying relation to Hive server. Great question 2. This database I think we have to use so we have to answer the 9 great questions here. For this one, this is the answer. For second question, this is how many partition will be created. Select control distinct. This database they have given and they have asked the question based on the database. So we can answer it. Bucketing. This answer. The 9 point select average partition. Okay. So question querying in Hive. Hive is one of the software. Just like MySQL, we can query it in that also. SQL only, we have to write it. Okay, this is can answer it. Right. Hive also over during the Hive. Additional content is there. I have not seen. Then a case study. This is a case study. Hive case study. Okay. And this is the optional one. Course additional course 3. SQL live coding section. Installing MongoDB on Windows, installing MongoDB on Mac, installing MongoDB, NoSQL database system. Okay. Okay, that's it from the module 4, course 4. Thank you.